Se Captain Smart to meet any TV station or to meet any program ase. Eka se wo ye MPP ni a wo ya aboa de a tie. Tie na tie ni ye. Yenhwe MPP for emmoa no. Yenhwe ade a wabeye e de ama o man Ghana. MPP for emmoa no e de free SHS e baaye. Inti aye Captain Smart a o se
abuza for mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana nsem TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say be next time videos of this nature about so submit my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say munim dan if Mr. President. Baby who be from Mr. President ameje so. Or text me Mr. President or comment section ameje so. Who see am TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje so sir. Koye dey baby agenda MPP. So the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party amenyuko. They are power 2028 inshallah. Dr. Bawumia president. Now also the power by Mbia so selkebi. Na my kan yi we were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebu die. Ya me ni amene amfa the Messiah Dr. Bawumia amade na sase bebe fie. Na once again me catch again na mabunu nyina se amanyosem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne yeye amanyosem nye mprint ne amanyosem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti dachi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma to me say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma to me say fa be your hu yi. It is all your software. O ye ordinary Ghanaian. O ye educationist. O ye medical doctor. O ye hwan ni once I have an opportunity to brother serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Sir Captain Smart to meet any TV station or to meet any program ase. Eka se wo ye MPP ni a wo ya aboa de a tie. Tie na tie ni ye. Yenhwe MPP for emmoa no. Yenhwe ade a wabeye e de ama o man Ghana. MPP for emmoa no e de free SHS e baaye. Inti aye Captain Smart a o se MPP for ye emmoa yi. Sisi aneba no wawie JHS obekọ SS. Inti automatically no se Captain Smart ne baba no okọ SS free ya. That means Captain Smart no or ye den. I go for someone now won't fit. Me and this is so make some about won't fit. I post your motors in your son.
Yes, I'm not evidence. Evidence and no matter only evidence and no press conference be here. Bisa said, only the Kojo for Sunu, so on. Kojo fosuno akwaba radio no akwaba radio no hwade no ye nkran press conference bi say oti anti galamsey nipa na ekochi no de ba himfie ana de ko police station
enti de woka nyina say na akosua ameto so miensa acha kansa say
ono na de asase ama Kojo fosuno ye sa no ye ma no kwai bekum ban hin be pese meti ase say so ohini ni wa nye ma hima na hwe akiri my traditional council no human kan kan ho human kan ho say wasesa no ma nyina abonobo and opeti confusion me ankasa me krom sinase o so obesi hima man what be that no ade o ye sa no de kota nso no o so okosi hire abra ye wo divisional chief a say so kan ho o ye hwan o ye man hima who are you onye obia
osa ni wadaru mo na mami wadaru mami so onye kakra
ebini ho jodomani mama ye torofo wadada kokko akuafo amoma to abama na wie omo to abama ni wie ya afidi we twafuo e dia fo mo dikodi be wuro mo num Me say Ghana open politician wo ye trofo a me say wo say NDC ni wa John Dramani mama ho ebi ni ho wo ye John Laye wo ye John won kan kore o hwe wanim han mu odi atro omo ba nom so omo wa be cheche nkokon kitinkiti na me pese me hu say nkokon kitinkiti ehefo no omo de nkokon kitinkiti na ma omo kata ni abo nkokon kitinkiti no up to date akokɔ de ka me hu ye wache kura ye busumi enum ensia na akokɔ no aye ready Ghana what say ye chiche nkokɔ anase ye ton nkokɔ nkitinkiti ye say end fo nkokɔ nkitinkiti ye ton ebi ni ho edi nkokɔ nkitinkiti de hemfo no de ma wo mo kasa ni abo wo ho Y0ur afenyo markets onabo asefua ene Y0ur ntimfo do mumma ye mumfa nko parliament ye hu se kasa ni abo won kokon kitinkiti no ehemfo ne de ma wo mo kokon kitinkiti omo wei kokon omo wei because have say kokon kitinkiti na badwa so
obia static ehwe ne wallet so se ni mo sika adwoma ma ba be wi a oyi labi mo ye moa na je be before ye far better than mo mundi ni twaba sere se anadwo boja adwoma ma wo be wu na nsia se afa o chiche nkran nyame na atwa oka mundi so agimi ade no me afa kofo ade mo sa ye fa Bawumia class and campus was dwan wunim se nyansan ni utima aboa wo ba se ento aba ma sa nyede na me catch us magic coffee ma boa me 3 months but ya can to dance bi mo ma fa yan kwahia fo ne kaka of course wo ba so anu a share no kre no obi a share no kre no Ghana mpani fo agimi do especially NDC for wo ba anu a share no kre me to dance bi of course we are you got dustbins uncountable number of dustbins fatum from yeah abrofon kran e chelo wa ha no tell him I'm going to dustbin. What did you you have she part to that from of course every name now and me blue BMW in the me pay money moves baby and I me be fire and kwasi afoni kakra wo ba so no ahye no kran so I just any at all the greatest city on planet Earth, New York City baby
initiatives from the president or the government, but the successive governments have failed us. I can say on authority that we have not been empowered by any political party to embark on this demonstration. We contributed our own money, 20 cities, 30 cities, and we use it to, finance whatever we did. But I want to state that major developmental projects done here in Ada are done mostly by the NPP, government. But we don't vote for them, so we can't blame them much. NDC, we have entrusted our hope into them, and they failed us over and over. This is not a political talk, but it's the reality on the ground. After this, the market women, the sea erosion, no ambulance in the district, no employment in the district, high utility tariffs like the ECG and the water bills, and so many. We can mention all. Everything has started. There is nothing working in Adam. We are tired. We are tired. Thank you.
Of the day, no, Pragiano, we have things inside, and yeah, Pragia, common Pragia, you. When you saw the Pragiano, didn't you see? Said there are some way equipment. A woman say you didn't panic to Mukrana, and your ordinary one said, "Yeah, this is some ball you." My goodness, why her picture no? Didn't you see the picture? And your ordinary one. Okay. Many who said there are some hospitals from 8 years under Nanado. Equipment I had check BP craba could pet and was our hospitals no and on a raising concern say health minister and his excellency John Dramani Mahama after equipment
and you can sit here and say under your 8 years telescope cry yantimi anya day antomani so na minima dry yantimi antobi obia provided ambulance for each constituency. A come out when who constituency be or one and I'm already who be. You sit on a Doom FM and say for 8 years. Tell me that they will be a come
for ourselves. And when some of my party people say that when the table stand, they will do the same, they are not playing.
Yes, it's wrong.
They are not playing. It will be escalated because people are writing it. People are noting it. And I started talking about this in 2025. When I said that, I admit, whenever there is a change in government, there were a lot of things, some of these things happen. Can we agree to put a stop to it?
Yes.
And say that enough is enough? Let's begin to halt some of these things. When I said that, some of my NDC friends agreed with me. Some too felt like, hey, we've come to power, we should continue. You think that you go and arrest somebody for speaking, and when the table turns, that person has forgotten about you. They will come after you in multiple fold, and we'll be having the same conversation. I am saying what I am saying today because when the table turns, and somebody in my party is doing it to you, I can still speak because I'm speaking against it now, and I spoke against it then. Why are we doing this to ourselves, Alfred?
Okay.
That we say we have a law that says that nobody is above the law, including the judge. Well, we know in this country when judges took goats and money as bribes and skilled judgment. Have you gone to the magistrate court and the small court in the district before? I was an MC. There were occasions that I went to those courts. You weep when you see how citizens are being treated in those places where there are small lawyers, and some of them don't even have representation. So the reality is that indeed there can be judges that can be political. They are not above the law. If you are a judge and I have a case before you, and I think that you are singling me out and you are trying to use your position to come after me, there is a law that allows me to call you out and even petition and get you removed. So if for whatever reason you think that somebody has said that a certain judge is a political judge, it is not the police that comes to arrest the person and throws the person to jail. I am saying this because I'm saying this not because I support what the person has said. Hear me well. I am saying that whether you are the president, you are the chief justice, you are whatever it is, when somebody comes after your person or your integrity, the laws are there. It doesn't include police kidnapping me and putting me in jail. It says that I should take you on and let you prove how I became political. And if you fail to do that, the laws will punish you, which if it includes jailing, you are jailed. But the situation where we find ourselves today, that if the thing goes against people in government, then we weaponize it and call it hate speech and peddling falsehood. That is the danger that Miracles, I am worried about, and I think Eduji should also worry about. Now, Alfred, let's look at all the 17 issues. None of them are issues that Miracles will say with my mouth, or would even go into a meeting and tell my party person to say it. But the question is, since when did it become a crime? The things they've said. We're in this country, when Eduji and his party, including senior members of this government, were on the street, the communications officer of the NDC, Sami Jemfi, saying exactly what this lady has said today. In fact, what this lady has said today that she said, Kuna na do mami, eradie kuna na do mami.
And we sang it against
mami, eradie kuna na do mami.
So why is it not a crime? Why?
There is a gentleman who sits, what's his name? There's a gentleman who sits on Y0ur TV also. He said it in plain language that he is surprised that another is not dead. And that God should kill him in a plane crash. So today, if you are showing me,
how should all these be dealt with?
No. So I'm saying that if you are showing me, so if you are showing me these cases, and today you are in government, your conversation shouldn't be that they've done something. The law should. You are hypocrites, because when you are in opposition, similar cases, you spoke against it, and the president today wrote a letter to Akufo-Addo. All the cases are listed in the letter. I'll give it to you. I can give it to you to share.
No, you condemn all these statements. You say these statements, even if they were said by persons within the party, your party, you don't associate with them. How do we address it?
No. Because it's an issue. Let's agree. Let's agree that we have a difference between morality and crime.
Yes.
Absolutely.
I am a Methodist.
Civil wrong.
Okay, I have went to Sunday school, went through. I can disagree with you. I can debate with you. I'll never insult you. It doesn't mean that another person doesn't reserve the right to insult you. That is his business. For some other citizens, they want to insult you.
They do.
The point is, if I insult you, is it a crime? If I say you, the judge, you are political, there's no crime. I'm not supposed to be in jail for even 30 minutes. I'm supposed to be sued by you.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying? If I say that the Gauls should kill the president, I would never say that in my life. Never in my life would I say that. But if somebody says that the Gauls should kill the president, it is not a crime.
Oh, I wish you were there.
Or I wish that Eduji is dead. It is not a crime. If Eduji, even for whatever reason, feels slanted, it is not up to the Ghana police
chairman
to go and bundle the person.
Former NCA board chairman, a member of this government, went to complain